Welcome to the studio. Today, we're diving into a painting you're going to love, step by step, brush by brush. Whether you're a beginner or just here for inspiration, this tutorial will guide you through every layer, every stroke, and every color choice. So grab your paints, and let's create something beautiful together. Ever wonder why some paintings glow from within? The secret isn't in the top layers. It starts underneath with a color you probably never expected: orange. Let's unlock the secret power of orange underpainting and why the masters used it to make their work shine. Orange is warm, fiery, and bold, but when it hides beneath your painting, it becomes pure magic. It gives your colors a vibrant base, especially in landscapes, portraits, and even abstracts. Orange boosts blues, brings out greens, and adds a warmth that subtly glows through your final layers. Think of it like painting over a sunset. You might not see it, but you'll feel it. Orange has emotional energy. It speaks of warmth, joy, and optimism. Using it underneath brings those feelings into your painting, even if the viewer can't explain why. It's a trick of the eye and a treat for the soul. Use orange underpainting when your subject needs warmth, light, or contrast. For foggy forests, glowing edges. For portraits, a natural warmth in the skin. For moody abstracts, an unexpected fire beneath the calm. It's not just background, it's the soul of the painting. Start with a thin wash of orange acrylic or oil, cadmium orange, burnt sienna, or even a custom mix. Use a big brush. Be loose. Let it dry. Now build your painting over it. Let some of it peek through, around the edges under transparent glazes between bold brush strokes. The orange will whisper through every color you apply, creating unity and depth. Painting with orange underpainting isn't just a technique, it's a transformation. It brings light where there is shadow, fire where there is calm, and emotion where there is silence. Try it once, and you'll never want to paint on a blank canvas again.